Okay. If these are how to be saved by tornadoes even when you're caught outside. When you're driving, you find a building to shelter in. 2.
What about in your house?
Go into the basement if you have a basement. Go in a little room like the closet in the bathroom. Stay from outside walls and from outside windows and from outside doors. So don't get caught by a tornado. 3. If you're driving, found a bill. Oh yeah, I said that. Oopsie daisies.
What about if you're
What?
outside walking or something?
When you're caught outside, and when you have gas in your car, get out of the car, find a little hole to shelter in, or a big hole to shelter in you can fit in.
Good job.
And when you're an adult, fit in a bigger hole.
When you're an adult, fit in a bigger hole?
Yeah, when you're in a car.
Is there any
When you see a tornado outside, tell your mom and dad. Then they will go in the basement.
with you?
Yeah, with you. So, now let's tell you things. Now let's tell you things. I said that's first. Okay.
I'm trying to learn about tornadoes.
Now what you want you say?
I don't know. What do you want to say about tornadoes?
No, how to be safe by tornadoes.
Yeah. You did a good job. I'm going to turn it off now, okay?
Okay.